Exporting a fixture from ToolManageriQ into gibbsCAM is just as easy as all of the other items. I'll start by going into the Fixtures section, and then I can choose whether I want to export a fixture or a fixture assembly. Here I'm going to export this 4-jaw chuck, so I'll select it in the list, and I'll click the Export to Gibbs button. And that's going to start importing the model into gibbsCAM, and it's going to appear where it was saved. So in this instance, you'll notice that the back side of the chuck is at the 0. Now that's fine because it's just a regular solid model now, and I can use gibbsCAM tools like Translate to move it. But another option could be to use the offset function in ToolManageriQ. I'm going to enter into this item by double-clicking it, and here I have an offset in HVD. So if I'd like that chuck to be back 7 inches in Z, for example, since that is my H, I can add that number, press OK, and as long as it's before you export the item, it'll come in with that difference between where it was saved and what you had put in there. So I'll do the same thing now, again, exporting the item. Now you can see it's 7 inches back. You can finish off by applying it as a fixture. And now I'm ready to go.